I was really excited for the chance to actually give back to local Nebraska communities. This summer I'm helping the 4-H office and the Extension office recover some of their two main buildings that they have on their fairgrounds. A lot of the areas needed a lot of repainting and even some more plywood put up because it was just completely damaged by the water. It's been hot and hard labor, but I mean definitely something that I would do again. When I first heard about the flood survivorship program, I was interested in it from an emergency management major perspective, but also because I wanted the chance to help out local Nebraska communities after the flooding. A lot of individuals that go through natural disasters are kind of forgotten about after a certain period of time. So that's why I wanted to do emergency management, because just because it's been a couple of days, that doesn't mean that their problems have gone away, and it takes often months to weeks to years to actually fully recover from a natural disaster. It means a lot to be able to have signature service days that I volunteered at a lot and other opportunities, and just to be able to actually apply the knowledge that I've been learning through my emergency management major to something like this is really meaningful to me.